Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and welcome back to the studio. And we're talking hot products again today. And if you've never heard of me before, guys, or never seen me before, my name's Alex. I'm best-selling author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. So actually how to find hot and viable products from China and sell these on sites like Amazon, eBay, and a whole bunch more. So thanks for joining me, guys. We're talking about products today, hot products. And I'm going to reveal another hot product today that I'm going to actually jump onto, and I'm going to actually reveal this to you. I don't really hold back in these videos. I reveal a lot of strategies. You may have seen my other videos on YouTube or on Facebook. I don't really hold back. I give a lot of information away. And today's video, we're going to be talking about hot products. Now, before I jump into that, though, sometimes I speak to people on the phone before they join my program, my 2-year mentoring course. And it's either me or my team that do it, but sometimes I jump on the phone and they get me. And one common thing I get is, I love to do the course, but I just got to, before I do it, I just want to make sure I've got my hot product. I've got to figure out what my hot product is, right? And I'm thinking, you know what, that's the reason why you're doing the course to begin with, right? To find the hot product. It's kind of like, I'll give you another example. It's kind of like you wanting to build your own house. And you need to get the house plans, the architectural drawings, right? So you're like, I should go to an architect. Yes, go to an architect. And it's like standing outside the architect's office before going in and going, oh wait, before I get the architect plan, I should really draw up my house plans, right? Like, isn't that the reason why you're going to the architect, to draw the plans up? Well, it's the same thing with my students, right? They're stuck. The biggest challenge they have is not being able to know the system or the method to building or to finding winning products to sell on Amazon, profitable products, viable products, feasible products on Amazon to sell that are not fad items, right? So they don't know how to do that, but that's what I teach my students over the first 2 months. That's exactly what we focus on, all right? And then launching your first product on Amazon, right? But that's what I teach. So there's no point trying to figure out what you're going to sell on Amazon prior to joining us, because that's what we teach, right? So, you know, so don't let that hold you back. It's kind of silly to think that, all right? All right, guys. So today's hot product, right? So this is another little product I'm looking into right now. It's mini tongs with silicone tips, 7-inch serving tong set of 3. Now they sell for $7.99, and obviously very lightweight, very small. I usually have within 45 centimeters. I go for anything less than a kilo. 700 grams is my sweet spot. And on this, I'm looking usually for less than 300 reviews. Here we've got 90 customer reviews, so it's actually within my sweet spot as well. The reviews don't really tell me a whole bunch. There's like a couple of 1-star reviews. It doesn't really give me a lot of information on how I can better prove or private label this product. Okay, but here we go. Very poor quality, not worth it. So they rust. Okay, so what I would do then is when I would connect with my supplier, I would say, hey guys, there's an issue, a known issue about rusting. How can we improve that product? How can we stop it rusting in the future? What would you do? Okay, so that's how I better improve products to make it basically sell better and get better reviews, right? So let's do the stats on this. And we're going to look at some of these stats here, guys. And don't forget, if you're looking for tools, I use about 6 different tools in conjunction before jumping on a product. I don't just use one tool, guys. All right, so there's about 6 different tools that I use before jumping on a particular product. And it's very important. Product research is about 80% of what I spend before jumping on a product, all right? So you can see here, the mini tools, this is the product right here. Their sells for $7.99. The bestseller rank is 2,670, right? Anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000 is ideally what I'm looking for. They're doing 40 sales a day, so 1,000 a month. They're doing $8,254 USD per month, okay? And they've only got 90 reviews. Now, lightweight, it's within the measurements, and now it's further research. Now I jump on to other sources. I basically get the best price. Did you know in Alibaba you can get anywhere from 30% to 70% off the asking price? Not many people know that, and not many people know how to do it. Very important. All right, so there's a lot of strategies in place, guys. This is exactly what I teach my students over our 2-year program. We've got students from Australia, New Zealand, the USA. A lot of students of ours are over there in the USA. We've got students from the UK. So Anyone can start their own Amazon business provided that you have goods stored in the Amazon FBA warehouses, right? So anyone can do this, doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can run your Amazon business. But you need to know how to find those winning products, and you need to know the actual system to launching a successful product on Amazon. So my name's Alex Ryan, guys. Thanks for joining me. If you would like more information, or if you know somebody who could be interested in starting their own Amazon business, please like, share, and comment on this video. And my goal actually this year is to help about 1,000 people launch their first product, their first branded private label product on Amazon. All right, so please help me share this video, guys. Thanks for joining me. My name's Alex Ryan. Have an awesome day, and talk to you real soon. Bye for now. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products, and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. You know, some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?